Hi, this is Scott Weavil, Principal Attorney with Weavil Law. As you've probably already heard, the Paycheck Protection Program relaunched earlier this month. Today we're going to talk about what you need to do to apply, again, if you've already used up your first PPP loan. First, the requirements. To qualify as what's known as a second draw borrower, you obviously need to have exhausted an earlier PPP loan. Second, you need to have 300 or fewer employees. And finally, you need to have experienced a revenue decline of 25% or more in any calendar quarter in 2020 versus 2019, or on an annualized basis in 2020 versus 2019. Losses must be calculated consistently with how you report your taxes, whether that's on a cash or an accrual basis. If you're using the same lender and seeking less than $150,000, the good news is that all you need to do is attest to the loss. You don't actually need to provide any records. If you're working with a new lender, though, they're likely to be wanting that quarterly revenue information. Be aware, though, that some lenders are willing to move forward in processing applications so long as you provide that information as soon as you're able to do so. So definitely don't let that bottleneck the process for you. Also, if using the same lender and again seeking less than $150,000, you do not need to resubmit 2019 payroll documentation, but you may want to do so in the event that you had more employees in 2020 than you did in 2019. The message here is that if you're a second draw borrower, there's little in the way to keep you from acting quickly. That's especially important, as we all know from past history that sometimes the PPP money does run out quicker than anticipated. If you have any questions or need help with the business law issue, don't hesitate to reach out to us here at Weavil Law.